Okay, we're looking at this AVARRO 32-inch Pro Series commercial display. Build quality is stiff and light, slim but it feels sturdy. Less than 1/10 of an inch bezel on sides and top, 3/4 of an inch on the bottom. Little floor stand cover it comes with, you can pop that in if you're not using a floor stand, which you shouldn't because it also comes with these two little feet. They're marked left and right, and they're also flat on one side, so there's no confusion on where they fit. Single screw. It should not take more than 5 minutes to get this thing on its feet. Build quality is great, and honestly the only imperfection I was able to find was the wall mounting threads being off-centered just barely. That's if you wanted to nitpick. If you do wall mount it, just make sure that you leave 2 inches clearance in the back and on the sides, and closer to 3 inches on the top for heat dissipation. USB 2.0, USB 3.0, 2 HDMI ports, detachable power cord, which is nice, standby button and power toggle on the bottom, Ethernet port in back next to an RS-232 port for control, and a telephone port, I guess if you want to run firmware updates, remote control, batteries included. This one did need an update, but I'm on a throttled Wi-Fi network, so after running a speed test, I updated over Ethernet in under 5 minutes. Sound quality is good. Image quality is actually pretty fantastic for this price point especially. Going through the settings, there's a lot of control over the image, as well as some preset looks. Under signage settings, you can control a lot. You can enable Bluetooth control, auto switching between sources, adjust power settings, schedule content, which I tested and works perfectly. There's also a more advanced V-Sign light program included that lets you schedule media with a little more granularity. You can customize text overlay, for example. The remote feels very much like the display, light but firm. The buttons do have a nice quality rubber with tactile feedback. Makes it easy to fly through these settings. You can also set a website to auto launch. Overall, build quality, image, control, all high quality. It's a great display, especially for the price.